Hi everyone, it's nice to see you again. Today, for our little warm-up, I'd like you to practice these moves with me. First of all, wiggle your fingers, then blow like the wind. Then play an air guitar, and clap, and drive a car, do a grumpy walk, and pass something to your friend. Okay, we're going to need all of those moves along with the song. Get ready to wiggle your fingers. Here we go.
Fingertips, fingertips, fingertips. I hear the wind blow, I hear the wind blow. It seems to say, hello, hello, I'm the one who loves you so. Hello everybody now, everybody now, everybody now. Who's standing up the window? I found a new friend underneath my pillow. Come on, everybody, come on, everybody, come on, everybody, come on, everybody. Are you the guy who hits me in the eye? Are you the guy who hits me in the eye?
Please pass the milk, please. Please pass the milk, please. Please pass the milk, please.
Nice job, everybody. Remember our warm-up from last time where we started off moving our shoulders up and a down and a forward and a back. Let's see if you can remember all of the different moves and do them along with me. Ready? And an up and a down and a forward and a back and an up and a down and a forward and a back and around and around. This way and that way and this way and that way. Touch your knees, touch your knees. Ready to count? Count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Touch your knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and clap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and click. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think we're ready for our first song. Let's look at Andy Pandy that we learned last time in Singing Assembly. Remember how it went? Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop up. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop down. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop in. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop out. Okay, that's how it goes, but I want to have a little bit of fun with this song. So, this time, we're going to whisper all of the words apart from the action words. Up, down, in, out. And those words we're going to say loudly. Are you ready? So, best whispering voices. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop up. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop down. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop in. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop out. Very good, everybody. Okay, this time we're going to pat our knees along with the song like we practiced last time, and we're going to miss some words out. So this time when we do the song, I want you to miss out the word sugary. You are not allowed to say the word sugary. Are you ready? 1, 2, off we go. Andy Pandy, candy all pop up. Andy Pandy, candy all pop down. Andy Pandy, candy all pop in. Andy Pandy, candy all pop out. Well done. Okay, this time I want to see, can you miss out the word sugary and the word all? Ooh, that's tricky. See if we can do it. Ready? And off we go. Andy Pandy, candy, pop up. Andy Pandy, candy, pop down. Andy Pandy, candy, pop in. Andy Pandy, candy, pop out. Oh, I nearly forgot the last word there. That was tricky, missing out all, wasn't it? Did you do it? Or did you make a mistake sometimes, like Mr. Kinman's? Okay, this time, let's try it without the word Andy, and without sugary, and without all. Let's see if we can do it. So remember, Andy is the first word. So we start off the song not saying anything. Ready, and off we go. Pandy, candy, pop up. Pandy, candy, pop down. Pandy, candy, pop in. Pandy, candy, pop out. Well done. If you missed out all of those words, great job. Okay, everybody, I think it's time for us to learn a new song. It's called Who Are You? So this will be my turn and your turn, but I'm going to be clapping as well. So watch out for where those claps come, and I'll point to you when it's your turn. Who are you? What do you do? What do you do? Do you swim in the sea? Do you climb up a tree? Do you swim in the sea? Do you climb up a tree? Who are you? Who are you? Very good. So let's try the whole thing all together. See if you can sing it with me. Off we go. Who are you? What do you do? Do you swim in the sea? Do you climb up a tree? Who are you? Okay, in this game, this is a guessing game. So I'm going to pretend to be an animal and I want you to guess who I am. Ready? Did you guess who I was that time? That's right, it was a cat. Okay, let's sing the song again and now we'll do a different animal at the end. Off we go. Who are you? And what do you do? Do you swim in the sea? Do you climb up a tree? Who are you? What animal was I that time? That's right, it was a cow. Okay, one more. Ready, off we go. Who are you? And what do you do? Do you swim in the sea? Do you climb up a tree? Who are you? What? What? Did you guess who I was that time? Of course, I was a chicken. So that's a song that you can play with people at home. You can sing the song, pretend to be an animal, and make the other people in your house guess who you are. And then, of course, you've got to make the adults have a turn as well. Okay, ready for another new song? This song, you will need a tea towel, or a towel, or a scarf, something to cover your head. So if you haven't got one close to you, then you can pause and go and get one now. Alright, got it? Okay, So this song is all about saying hello to different people. So we'll do it for Mr. Kinmans first. So we put our tea towel over our head to hide and put our arms out like this. And the song goes, where's Mr. Kinmans? Wish I knew. Where's Mr. Kinmans? Peekaboo. Okay, let's try it for somebody else. Let's try and guess somebody in nursery or reception you might be watching. So, this time we'll say, where is Teddy? So, ready? Where is Teddy? Wish I knew. Where is Teddy? Peekaboo. Well done. This time let's try for Riley. Ready? Off we go. Where is Riley? Wish I knew. Where is Riley? Peekaboo. Amazing. Let's try for one more person. Let's say Lou Jane. Ready? Where is Lou Jane? Wish I knew. Where is Lou Jane? Peekaboo. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Another song you can try at home with your family. All right. We're going to finish off today with a silly song about singing in the rain. So I'll show you how it goes. First of all, we've got to hold on to our rucksack straps like this. And it goes, I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. But then I stop to make this sound. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. And then I'll tell you an action like this. Thumbs up. And then we start again from the beginning. So everybody, thumbs up. And off we go. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Thumbs up. Elbows back. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Thumbs up. Elbows back. Knees bent. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Thumbs up. Elbows back. Knees bent. Feet together. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Thumbs up. Elbows back. Knees bent. Feet together. Head back. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Excellent job, everybody. Okay, one last thing before you go. Have you mastered our Menomina body percussion rhythm yet? Remember how it went? We started off with jump, clap, menomina, clap, then added another jump. Menomina, clap, jump, jump. Menomina, clap, jump, jump, clap, menomina, clap. That's the whole rhythm now, so if you're an expert at it, then you can do it along with some songs at home. I've chosen one for us today, but you can have a go at home along to your favourite song too. So, everybody ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, everybody. Great job. See you next time.